man, would you look at this? It's freaking drifting over the top of this car. Ain't that wild? Jeez, man. Buried, hello, bye. Yet another buried car. Yee! Well, here's what the roads look like. Right here, right there. As you can see, right there. And right up all the way up there. Okay. Very nice. Okay, as you can see, my feet walking through the snow here. I'd say there's about 8 inches here. So as I walk along, you see my feet walking through the snow. Ain't that cool, Joe? Yeah, walking through the snow, walking through the snow. Hi-ho the Mario, walking through the snow. Okay, and just keeps getting deeper and deeper here. So we keep walking through the snow, walking through the snow. Hey, look at that one, ain't that cool? Woo, a lot of snow up on that one there. Okay, and then walking through the snow. Okay, now it's getting deeper here, as you can tell. Cantori and all those other people are not the only ones that can walk in snow and report this and that and that and this. Ain't that right? That's right. Okay.
I feel like I'm home. Such as supposed to be.
Seagulls. Ain't that cool? Wow. Okay, let's see now. I'm definitely not 9 feet tall, so this is how high the snow is. Wow. Pretty high up, huh? That's what I say too. Now let's get a pie. Yeah. I'm straight on to that right there. Jim Cantori, you're not the only one that can get on a snow hill. No big whoopee freaking do. Yeah, that's pretty buried if you ask me. Okay, there it is right there. There. Buried there. Well, there's another one buried right there. Pretty good, huh? Ooh, buried. Buried. Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this car is buried. Elmont, New York. Buried. That car's buried there pretty good, isn't it? Wow, that's buried real good. Here, look at this one. How do you like that? Buried. Oh my God, buried. Here's another one. Buried. Right there, see? Good morning. Well, that one's buried for sure. How about that? Oh, and moly guacamole. Oh, pretty buried, pretty deep. Yeah. See the wheel wells? Look at that. See the wheel well all buried up there? Look at this one right here. Buried. Buried. Now here's another one. Buried. See, look at that. Ain't that wild? Buried, man. Buried. No, there's another one. Right here. Buried. Whoa. Hey, here's another series of cars buried. Here, how about this one right here? You like that one? The car's white. How do you like that? Pretty cool, huh? Wow. Buried. There's another one. Whoa. Buried. Wow, buried. Here's another one. Buried.